Welcome to Barden Tower. Barden Tower is a ruined building in the Parish of Barden in Wharfedale, North Yorkshire. The tower was used as a hunting lodge in the 15th and 16th centuries, and despite a renovation in 1650, it fell into disrepair in the 18th century. The tower is now part of the Bolton Estate and is listed as a medieval fortified tower, along with other buildings on the Bolton Estate. It is a focal point and many people visit the tower, although it is sometimes overlooked and driven past because of its location. The tower is located equidistant between Bolton Bridge on the A59 road to the south and the village of Burnsall to the north, approximately 4 miles. A lodge of sorts had been located in the Forest of Barden since early Plantagenet times, but it was rebuilt in stone between 1485 and 1490 by Henry Clifford. Clifford chose the area around Barden as his main residence over his castle at Skipton. Barden Tower was one of 6 forest lodges which were in the possession of the Clifford family between the 14th and 17th centuries. Besides Barden, the Cliffords had lodges at Drebley, Gamsworth, Howgill and Laund. The 6th lodge, at a site known as Ungaine, has not yet been identified. The tower became the focal point for the hamlets and farmhouses in the area. Because there was no nuclear village to gather to, the tower became a de facto village centre. The tower, along with a chapel next to it and Skipton Castle, were renovated and rebuilt by Lady Anne Clifford in the 1650s. The tower had been de-roofed during the Civil War. The roof itself was believed to have been made of a thatch. It was in the 16th and 17th centuries that the outbuildings of the farmhouse and chapel were built next to the tower. A priest house has been tentatively dated to 1513 and was reputedly built by Henry Clifford for his private chaplain when the Clifford household were in residence at the tower. After Lady Anne's death in 1676, the estate and Barden Tower were taken over by the Earls of Cork and fell into disrepair in the 18th century. If you enjoy this sort of content, please consider subscribing, adding a like and a comment. I will always get back to you. Thank you.
Chaos forever, he rides the sky through castles and clouds where the secrets lie. The world unfolds in a silver stream. Don't taste alone, but it chases the dream.